Okay, we'll start. First write heading as quartiles. Quartiles for continuous series. Quartiles for continuous series. Right. Again, quartile is denoted by QR. Quartile is denoted by QR, which is equal to, write down the formula I will explain. L plus into bracket R in a small bracket capital N divided by 4. Capital N divided by 4, bracket complete, minus CF divided by F, bracket complete into. Now this formula is similar as median or no? Median continuous series formula is L plus N upon 2 minus CF divided by F into. Only changes again here you have to divide by 4 and you have to consider R. Remaining all the terms are same. Here R means number of quartile, CF means cumulative frequency preceding to median class, F means frequency of median class, C means difference in median. Remaining all the terms are same. Okay. Then below this you write decide for continuous series. Decide for continuous series. Okay. I'll write down the form. Now decide is denoted by dr. Decide is denoted by dr, which is equal to, again formula is L plus into bracket R in a small bracket capital N divided by 10. Capital N divided by 10, bracket complete, minus CF divided by F, bracket complete into. Yesterday I have given you quartile is nothing but fourth part of the observation, so we have to divide by 4. Decide is 10th part of the observation, so we have to divide by 10. You can easily create the formula of percentile. How to create the formula of percentile? Right, heading as percentile. Percentile. Now quartile is denoted by QR, decile is denoted by DR. How will you denote percentile? Write PR, first letter. Okay, PR is equal to, again L plus into bracket. How to write now? R into bracket capital N divided by 100. Bracket complete, minus CF divided by F into. These are the only changes. You have to remember median formula. That's it. Median is nothing but N upon 2. Quartile is N upon 4. Decile is N upon 10. Percentile is N upon 100. Remaining all the terms are same. Minus CF divided by F into C. Remaining all the terms are same. Okay. These are the formulas to calculate quartile, decile and percentile. In this also quartiles are most important, because next topic you have that is completely based on quartiles. So you give more stress on quartiles. Okay. I'll take 1 or 2 problems on decile, percentile also, but you have to give more stress on quartiles. We'll start with the problem. Right. Okay. Calculate first, second and third quartile. First, second and third quartile. Now make two columns, classes and frequencies. Classes and frequencies. Classes column 100 to 110, frequency 10. 110 to 120, 18. 120 to 130, 24. 130 to 140, 32. 140 to 150, 26. 150 to 160, 16. 160 to 170, 8. And 170 to 180, 6. Now why this is called as continuous series? Because classes are equal. Whenever there are two columns with class intervals, it is treated as continuous series. If there are two columns without class interval, it is treated as group series. This much you have to remember. First check the problem whether it is ungrouped, grouped or continuous. Now here classes are given, means it is a continuous series. Check the class intervals whether it is exclusive method or inclusive. Exclusive means it is a simple problem. If it is inclusive, you know how to convert inclusive to exclusive. Then we have to start. Okay, but it is an exclusive method. Directly you can start. Now again we have to calculate Q1, Q2 and Q3, right? And to calculate Q1, Q2, Q3, again CF column is required. Procedure is same only, like median. CF column is required. 10 as it is. 10 plus 18, 28. 28 plus 24, 52. 52 plus 32, 84. 84 plus 26, 110. 110 plus 16, 126. 126 plus 8, 134. Plus 6, 140. Means your n value must be 100. N value must be 140. Again, this is the only column required to calculate median. Directly we can go for formula of quartile. Write heading as first quartile. First quartile. Formula is QR is equal to L plus into bracket R in a small bracket capital N divided by 4 bracket complete minus CF divided by F bracket complete into. Okay, this is the formula to calculate the quartiles. Now the procedure is important. All of you have written this? Okay. Now whenever there is a quartile, always first of all you have to solve this part. Rn by 4. Rn by 4. This we have to solve because we know R value, because we are calculating first quartile, R value will be 1. We know the n value, just now we have calculated. So this part we can easily find out. Calculate this part. R is 1 into n is 140 divided by 4. Check out. I think 35. 35th value. It comes to 35th value. Now again procedure is same. Check this 35 in CF column. Where it comes? 35 comes under 52. Mark it here. Mark it. Here you write 2. Correct? 35 comes under 50. And below this write down. Therefore, Q1 class is, what is the Q1 class here? 120 to 110. 120 to 110. Q1 class, not the answer. Q1 class is 120 to 110. Now once you know this class of quartile, remaining terms you can easily find out. Now we will substitute the value. Now here L means lower limit of quartile class. Lower limit of which class? Quartile class. Here quartile class is 120 to 130, which is the lower limit. 120, correct? 120 plus into bracket Rn by 4. Just now we have calculated this value, that is 35. Right? Minus CF. Minus CF. CF is nothing but cumulative frequency preceding to quartile class. Preceding to quartile class. What is the CF value? 28. That is the previous value you have to consider. Preceding is nothing but previous value. This is divided by frequency of quartile class. What is the frequency of 120 to 130? 24. Multiply by C means difference in quartile class, not in any other class. Difference in quartile class. What is the difference here? 10. Solve this. 120 plus 35 minus 28 is 7. I will take this 10 inside, divided by 20. So 120 plus, you have calculator, you can solve. Therefore, Q1 value is 122.91. Check the value. I don't have calculator. 122.91. Correct it is? Yes. This is your first quartile. Procedure is same only. Write down heading. Second quartile. Second quartile. Formula remains same, but for practice you write it one side. For practice you write it. QR is equal to L plus into bracket R in small bracket N upon 4 bracket complete minus CF upon F bracket complete into C. Okay. Again, which part we have to solve first? R n upon 4. What will be the R value now? R value is 2 because we are calculating second quartile. This is multiplied by n value is 140 divided by 4. So calculation of this is 70th back. 70th back. Correct? Now check this 70 in CF column. Where it comes? 70 comes under 84, right? Mark it. This is your Q2. So below that I will write, therefore Q2 class is 130 to 140. Q2 class is 130 to 140. Okay. Now, again L means lower limit of this class, lower limit of quartile class. Our quartile class is 130 to 140. What is the lower limit here? 130 plus into bracket Rn by 4. We have calculated, that is 70. Minus CF. CF is nothing but again preceding value or previous value to quartile class. Now our quartile class CF is 84, but we want previous value. What is the previous value here? 52. Divided by frequency of this quartile class is 32. Into again difference is 10. First substitute the value, then solve. 130 plus 70 minus 52 is 18 into 10 divided by 30. So 130 plus 180 divided by 30. Therefore, Q2 value is 130. 135.60. 135.60. Up to this is clear? Okay. Now go for third quartile and solve it. Write down heading as third quartile. Third quartile. For practice, you can write the formula, otherwise directly you can start. Again, we have to start with Rn upon 4. What will be the R value? 3. Into n is 140 divided by 105th value. 105th value. Check this 105 in CF column. Where it comes? 105 comes under 110, right? So this is the class. Mark it right here as Q3. And below this you write therefore Q3 class is 140 to 110. 140 to 110. Okay. Now, again, what is the lower limit of this class? Lower limit is 140. 140 plus into bracket Rn by 4 is 105 minus CF. What will be the CF value here? 84 divided by frequency of this class is 26. Bracket complete into difference in class interval is 10. So 140 plus 105 minus 84 is nothing but 21 into 10 divided by 26. So 140 plus 210 divided by 26, which is equal to 140 plus 8.07. Therefore Q3 value is 148.0. Q3 value is 148.0. Means your Q1 answer is 122.91. Correct, no? Q2 is 135.62 and Q3 is 148.07. Procedure is important. Procedure is important, formulas are important. Don't try to by heart the formulas. By practice only you can easily find. You can easily write down the formula. Daily once or twice you have to write the formula. If you by heart and if in exam, if you forgot, then nobody will help you. Okay, practice is important for this. This is clear? Okay. So next class I will take again with quartiles. I will take decile also and percentile also in one problem. Okay. Today we will stop here only.